Good morning, welcome to Turn 2 on Friday the 26th of September. This is Kim Watson speaking for Easy Trader. Okay, looking at the euro dollar, and as you can see yesterday we managed to actually continue its route downwards. As sold off, we ran into the monthly S3, which generally contains price. We don't often see price running too far. If it does break out, it often pulls back within that region. But there's always a possibility it could continue. It's looking weak. Draghi's comments were not good at all. Couple of things to watch for then. Really is, let's say, potentially further downside. It's already broken. It's easier to see on the hourly actually. There was a little sort of channel, rising channel for a while, which it sort of stepped its way through and broken, but not necessarily in any sort of dramatic way. Or convincing way. It's just sort of really sidesteps out of that. But I've drawn another little line on here. It does break the highs there. It could rally back towards that 50, or maybe put in a slightly bigger reversal. But in the short term, really looking relatively bearish. Looking at the pound dollar, not too dissimilar on the hourly picture. The daily picture is we're still contained, obviously. There's a couple of things I'm looking at here in terms of let's just draw the trend lines on here for you very briefly. So we've got this sort of trend line coming down here, which if it rallies into could find some resistance. It's a bit messier. I mean, you got some lows across here, which if it breaks, well actually if it breaks yesterday's lows here, we could see a continuation to the downside. It's sort of putting a sort of potentially then a lower high here, and it could go back, maybe even back towards testing the bottoms. But at the moment, not looking good there. We've on both of these we hit daily pivots, so we haven't got targets. But possibly initially on yesterday's lows there, we may still find another bounce, although it's been hitting on that area. And I'd look at what the momentum is doing at that point. So there is a possibility of a bounce, but a break of that area, as I say, for today, may be contained within the S3 area there of 162.20, but you never know with these markets, they could push further. Okay, that's it for me. Have a great day. Bye for now.